Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adding each course as a recurring calendar event. Set exact meeting days and times so your week is accurate. Once done, create separate color-coded calendars for lectures, labs, and clubs to filter views quickly. Make sure to enter syllabus deadlines immediately. Exams, assignment due dates, and project milestones. This gives you a true workload map. If a class uses different Zoom links or rooms, add details in the description so you save time later and reduce friction before each session. Next, break assignments into discrete subtasks and put each subtask on the calendar with its own due date, because small steps beat vague intentions. Once subtasks are scheduled, block focus study time using methods like 50/10 or 90/20 so you get deep work windows. Make sure to add short transition buffers, 5 to 15 minutes, around classes and meetings to account for commuting or setup. Also, tag related events with consistent prefixes so you can search and batch similar work quickly. Finally, finish by adding layered reminders. Set a 1-day preview, a 2-hour prep notice, and a start time alert so you arrive ready. Once synced across phone, tablet, and laptop, verify notification channels so you don't miss anything. If double bookings or conflicts appear, use calendar overlays to spot clashes and drag events to reschedule quickly. This keeps your week coherent. Troubleshooting tip: if notifications stop, check app permissions and sync settings first. Most issues resolve after reauthorizing or toggling calendar sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.